Now, Mexico says it has managed to evacuate 12,500 tourists who had been stranded in the coastal city of Acapulco since it was hit by Hurricane Otis on Wednesday. Footage recorded in Acapulco show the trail of damage left by the storm, where boats were washed ashore and left lodged between buildings. 43 people are now known to have died and 36 others are still missing. Otis was the most powerful hurricane ever on Mexico's Pacific coast. Local authorities estimate that it will take at least 3 months to clear debris from the central areas of Acapulco.